Welcome. If you want to check serial number of your Huawei FreeBuds Pro, we can do this in the two ways. I will show you the first one with smartphone. So we have to open AI Live application when we connect our FreeBuds Pro. Then we have to open charger case to let them connect. When the status changed to the connected, we have to click right here on the three dots in the right upper corner, and then we have to move to the device settings, then click on the device information, and as you can see here we can find the serial number, and the same will be appear on the box right here. I hope that you can see it. Well, it's the same like on the smartphone in the AI Live application. So as you can see, we got two methods how we can check it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.